how to select English in Duolingo app. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change your language to English on Duolingo app. So let's get started. I have opened up the app on my mobile phone and this is where we are. The problem people face on this app is that they're like, okay, how to select English? Or what if they want to learn English, how they can select it? So when it comes to selecting, you can see we have like all of the other options here. And if we scroll down, then the options change. So where is English? You cannot find it anywhere. Well, you can select English if you are using Duolingo in any other language. For example, if you're using Duolingo in French, like all of the other things are in French. For example, we have the word continue here, and we have the app in English. We can see other languages, but if you switch your language, then you will be able to select English. And you can see all of the other languages have the option of English. You can see in their language, whatever they called English, that's what is written here. Let's say I want to select English, so I'm going to select this one, click on continue, and you can see this will change the app's interface to Dutch. It will be like from Dutch to English. That's how we can select it. And again, for example, if you are an Italian person, you can just select the from here and click on continue. And this app will be changed in Italian because then you will be converting everything from Italian to English. That is how it works. And then at the top, we have Duolingo for the English speakers and we have other languages here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget